Not that time? Oh no, you did. Look.
Did he get something?
Yeah, look what he got.
What'd you get, Josiah? Hi, I'm Shalane. This is Dean, and we are
GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Hey friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. We decided to come out. It's a gorgeous night. We decided to come out and do some magnet fishing, and we thought we'd take you guys with us. We're at Smithville Lake, and this is kind of our last hurrah.
Yeah. We're really close to ending our work assignment here and starting our homestead, so.
Yeah, do you guys hear those waves? It's loud. There's a lot of boats on the lake today, and anyway, it's gonna be a gorgeous night. So we thought we'd come out here and see what we can find in the water.
That's right. We might even have a little competition. Put it in the comments below how much these things should be worth that we pull out of the water. Like, is a lure worth 1 point? If we pull a fire extinguisher out, is it worth 40 points?
If I pull out a Volkswagen, how many points is that worth?
That's right. These are important questions that we need to have answered.
So we each have our own magnet, so let's go see what we can find in the water. So I actually got these magnets for Dean for his birthday. Not a paid promotion. We have not tried these. We got the angler bag and the find mag. So yeah, I wish they had sent us these free for us to try out, but nope. Got it for Dean for his birthday, and this is actually the first time we're taking him out. His birthday is late May, and it's now late July. We're just now getting him out. Look at this, you guys. We're on the boat dock, one of them. One of many here around the lake. And boy, you sure can hear these waves coming in from these boats.
Float your troubles out to sea.
All right, he's going along here. We'll see what he gets. Let me get mine put in.
These things I wish for you.
Did you find a Volkswagen yet?
Oh, let's see.
You don't know? Let's see. You know, pull it up and see if you've got a Volkswagen.
I got something.
Oh, what do you have? Oh, what do you have? A pair of toenail clippers and some rebar.
Yeah.
There you go.
You can't beat that.
Okay, how many points? How many points are the toenail clippers?
Got about 2 feet of rebar and some toenail clippers.
All right, how many points for 2 feet of rebar and 2 feet of 2 feet of toenail clippers? That's a lot of toenail clippers. 2 feet of rebar and some toenail clippers. How many points? Ah, pretty good.
Hey, first try? I don't think you can beat that.
I thought you was gonna have a Volkswagen for sure, but yeah.
Makes that better than a Volkswagen.
Yeah. Your toenails were looking pretty janky, so
There you go.
now we can get it taken care of.
Finally.
Look, we got some water skiers out here. You guys, we should have come with it when it was a little bit lighter. We were kind of hoping to get an epic sunset for you, but we waited so late that you guys are gonna have a hard time seeing what we're doing. Well, I'm paying too much attention to him, and I've got mine just sitting over here in the water. I guess I should see if I got a bite. I got nothing but mess on mine so far. Let me take it back over here. Got some iron shavings, that's about it.
Yeah. Well, how much are iron shavings worth?
They're worth minus 2 points.
Because you have to wipe it off and you get nothing.
Look at this. It's gorgeous out here, you guys. Okay, let's focus. Focus. All right, let's get these shavings off here. All right, let's see if we got anything exciting. Do 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 do. Nothing.
Get something?
Oh! I got a washer.
Okay, how much is a washer?
How many points for the washer, ladies and gentlemen? It's the old bent up, rusty, greasy, dented washer. Not even a dishwasher. Just a washer. What's he got going on? You looking awful handsome over there with your magnet fishing going on.
Well, I mean, what can I say?
Hi. Come on in, we've been waiting for you.
Are you fishing?
Magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing.
What are you fishing for?
Whatever's down there that'll stick to my magnet. A couple weeks ago we found a great big piece of the dock that had fallen off and was down in...
Have you guys found anything except metal shavings?
Nothing exciting yet today. We've only been out here for about 10 minutes. And then you can just pull it back and then see if you pull anything in. More metal shavings. So there's something metal down there, don't you think? Something old, because it's just got all this
Maybe
rusted
old
stuff.
car.
That's what I told my husband. I said it'd be cool if we could pull up a Volkswagen old car, motorcycle.
It's going to take me a couple minutes to clear this line.
That one a little too far.
That's all right. I had a hold of it, so it's all good.
Got a hook.
Oh yeah, we got a hook.
Oh, did you? Oh, you did. Wait, let me see. Yeah. Nice.
Always listen to your heart. Make your thoughts a
We
word.
caught some.
Do you have something? Oh, it looks like you have something. What'd you get?
A nail.
Oh, a nail. Comment below and tell us how many points for the nail. We're keeping track. So far we have a nail and toenail clippers and rebar, and all I got was a washer.
Fish hook.
Don't forget,
But-
fish hook.
And a fish hook, but these young ladies right here, what's your name?
Emily.
Emily?
Celeste.
Celeste. Emily and Celeste, we just met them here on the dock.
Can I throw it?
Yeah, you can throw it. There it goes.
How did it down here?
Think you caught my magnet? Let's see. Oh, look. Oh, they're sweet on each other. Magnets are being sweet on each other. How cute.
How much is that worth to catch the other night?
Oh, yeah. To catch them. Thank you.
Oh, I'm in there.
Okay, let me get these off. I don't want them to cut your fingers, so that's why we're ready. All right, cameraman, who's throwing this out?
Me.
You're throwing it out?
It might be this kind of big.
Oh, you got something!
Oh my goodness!
She got something!
What? Look what we got!
Oh, cool.
Can I go show my parents?
Show the camera. Okay, what is this? Some kind of a
It looks like a hook.
hook thing with a screw on
Ew,
the
gross.
end. Yeah, go show them.
We got to ask our viewers, how much is that worth?
Yeah, how much is that one worth? Good job, Celeste. That's fun. You guys are gonna have to get a magnet. Maybe you could get a magnet for Christmas or something. That'd be cool. All right,
Let's do it again.
let's throw
Can
it
I
back
throw
in.
it?
Throw it wherever you want.
Can I try two? Here you
Yeah. Well, what's your name?
go. Josiah?
Hi, Josiah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you can throw it in.
How can I do this?
Well, that was
Okay,
the
let's.
bonanza there.
Celeste is gonna pull it up, and then you can throw it back in. An S hook. That's called an S hook. All right, points for an S hook.
Okay, now just start walking this way.
Maybe we should try on this side a little bit.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go on this side too.
Oh, no, you did. Look.
Did he get something?
Yeah, look what he got.
What'd you get, Josiah?
Nothing.
Look right here. What is
What?
this?
Oh, he got. Is that a fish hook?
That's a fish hook. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. And go fishing now, mister. Looks like there's something.
A hook.
Another hook. Boy, we're cleaning out the lake, aren't we?
Oh, another.
Another hook.
A
Where's
staple.
that? Oh, another one of those big staples.
Can you see on the water the fishies? Like a
Uh-huh. If there were fishies under there, I could see them.
How?
Because this camera, look how, you see how you can see through there?
Yeah.
I could put it down in the water and see.
Oh.
Yeah. Go ahead and throw it in. You ready?
I wonder if
throw
there's
it
like
Ooh. You get anything?
I did. I got a can.
Oh, you got something cool.
What do you get?
What is that?
Oh, it's a bottle top.
It looks like a really old bottle top. See if our viewers know what this is. I'm having a hard time focusing on it.
Okay, we have to go.
All right, well, you guys be watching on Friday. The video come out probably, okay?
Okay.
All right, it was nice meeting you guys.
Okay, you guys, wave at my camera.
Bye.
Bye. Well, that was an unexpected surprise.
That was. It was a lot of fun, though, with those kids around.
That was so much fun. They were so adorable. You know, I would say that we didn't find any treasures today, but that would not be true.
That's definitely not true. Those
That
three
was-
kids were complete treasures.
Yeah, what a fun surprise for them to just pull up in the boat, and we just visited with the family, and they got out and just had so much fun magnet fishing, and that was everything. That was just so much fun. What a joy.
Okay, we want to remind you again. Put it down in the comments. What are those things worth? We need to be able to tally this massive game that developed because of it.
Yeah, if you haven't seen our other magnet fishing video when we went the very first time with our friends from Happy Place Camping, and they kind of got us hooked, right? That was really fun. So you might have to go look at that video so that you can see the big stuff that we pulled in. Try to tell us what this thing was. I don't know. I tried to get it close to the camera. Not sure what that is. Anyway, it's been so fun. We're so glad you guys came with us this evening on this random magnet fishing video. And until next week, this is GrassRoots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.